Let me show you how to use two SIM cards at the same time on your iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So if you're outside of United States, you also get a physical SIM card slot on these phones, which is absolutely awesome. So to take out the SIM card slot, so we can simply use this tool, or also maybe simply take a needle. It can do the same job. So you see, if I basically jam this inside, I can actually release this, and I have my SIM card tray over here. And to insert the SIM card, also observe where you have the tiny triangle there. So we are literally going to put this in. And when it comes to amount of SIM cards, physical ones we can only insert one SIM card. So the other SIM card will be the eSIM that we can install on this phone. Okay, make sure it's actually going in properly. So again, make sure it's completely flush. And you see also on the top of the phone, you'll see like two network bars actually start to pair. So the other SIM card will start working in a moment basically. And if you want to add basically the second SIM card, we can simply go in the settings, then click your mobile service. Mobile service over here, and see you have your SIM cards over here, and we are going to click add eSIM over here. And to add this, we are going to need the eSIM in a QR code format, or also in an activation code format. So it might look something like this, so like activation address and also the activation code. So we can simply click use QR code, or also you can transfer the SIM card from another phone as well if you want to. But for example, let's click over here, and then essentially we can simply point our camera basically on this QR code. And once you point it, basically the phone instantly will find it and activate it basically. So I do not want to do it, activate at the moment. But also, yeah, if you do not have the QR code, you can click over here and see you have the space for the activation code and also the address. So simply type it in here and it will be activated. Also, by the way, for this process, you also need Wi-Fi or data connection. So if you insert like a physical SIM card which has got data, you can obviously take data from that, or you can simply connect to Wi-Fi network, because we need internet access to set up the eSIM over here. So, and then basically, yeah, once you have the two SIM cards basically inside, as you see, you have basically the two SIM cards here. You can also manage all the settings you need for them there as well. Okay, good luck everyone.